2019 GMC Denali 2.0 liters engine. So this is my setup for replacing starter. This old starter, this new starter. So old starter, so it's positioned right there. You have to take off the wheel, right, front passenger. So I have a light there, and it's right there. You see the connector disconnected in the hole. So the trickiest bolt is gonna be this one, because it's on the top and it's furthest. Another one is here on the bottom. They 13mm socket, the same as here. Unplug battery first, don't forget that. And connector is easy. You just press here and pull. I did it with a flat screwdriver. So took me maybe hour or so, take it off.